Hello everyone, welcome to Mental Health Awareness. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to discuss something very important and crucial topic which is going to touch you a lot. Today I am going to talk about some tips on how to make your mom happy and proud of you. Even if you are an grown-up adult, you are working, then also these tips are going to work for you. Number 1. Spend time with her. One of the best things you can do to make your mom happy is to spend time with her. This doesn't mean you have to give up all your free time, but make an effort to call her, visit her, or to go out with her on lunch on the regular basis. Number 2. Show her you care. There are many ways to show your mom you care, such as giving her a hug or telling her that you love her. You can also do things for her without being asked, such as running errands or helping her out around the house. Number 3. Be respectful for her. Always treat your mom with respect even if you disagree with her. This means listening to her opinion, avoiding arguing, and being polite. Number 4. Be successful in your career. Your mom will likely to be proud of you if you are successful in your career. This doesn't mean you have to be a CEO of your company or make a lot of money, but it does mean working hard and being dedicated to your job. Number 5. Be a good person. Your mom will also be proud of you if you are a good person. This means being kind, honest, and compassionate. It also means treating others with respect and helping those in need. In the next video, I will be discussing some additional tips that may be especially relevant to your situation. So do not forget to subscribe Mental Health Awareness. See you in the next video. Take care till then.